It's a terrible idea, but whatever. No. Oh, I hear it snapping. I heard a snap. Careful, I was about to say, it sounds like that thing's ready to go, dude. Do we have a rope that we can attach to it and just drag it that way with your go-kart or something?
That's what I was just about to say.
Yeah, dude.
It's just hung up on itself now. Yeah, get the go-kart.
Yeah.
Yeah, go-kart. Didn't even lock anything?
No, I didn't lock shit. I started locking him and then you took it from me. I thought you were gonna lock him.
I need the phone.
I had to record your abusiveness.
Yeah. That's fine. You got this.
Got the rope free.
Jumped on? Alright. You gotta go that way now.
I said we should go that way from the beginning.
Now we probably be on the other trail there. And
Well, that's what I was saying. We need more rope and just get.
oh yeah, dude.
You know what?
Oh my gosh, and look at everything just chilling. Look and see if we can find some more rope. See if we can get on the other trail over there.
Oh, dude, that like almost completely got rid of the other one too. Yeah, but that one.
In the dirt, the berm goes up. Ooh, it's close. Come on, cut it! Damn.
Like a gangster. Alrighty guys, we're back at it on the trail again here, trying to open this thing up, trying to get this stupid freaking tree down. The mini bike ripped it down a decent ways, but wasn't able to get it the entire way. So, as you can see already, we kind of cleared a little trail here, and we've got Andrew's go-kart that he's going to be bringing around here soon, and we're going to try repping out with the go-kart instead of a mini bike. That would be his go-kart, if you can hear it. Alright, round two. Gotta break out the big guns. No. Dude, keep going. Did you stop? Oh yeah.
I need to get another tug at it maybe.
Somebody ate all my almonds.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, bro, you got this.
Yeah, give it another good tug.
Yeah, man, just tug it all the way through, bro. No diddy. Oh, dude, you got it.
This is working out swimmingly.
Yeah. Yeah, you got this, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Third time's the charm. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Alright, here, you recording?
Yeah, just start it up. Should start right up.
How do we, what is it, just twist the key?
Yeah, like a regular. Give it some rev, press on the brakes a little. Yep.
Let's go, baby!
Dude, I feel like it whipped the back tire into that tree. It did.
Ready? You recording?
Yeah. What happened?
Oh, that hurt my wrist. I had my wrist like this.
Oh, you had
Like,
thumbs in?
caught.
Thumbs out, bro.
Yeah, man.
I thought you were going into that tree.
Honestly, thank God the rope
It tugged right before.
Tugged me. I was headed right for it, and I was like, yeah, I'll be alright. It's not broken.
Yeah, we'll be alright. Alright, we're done.
Oh, yeah.
We're done.
Yeah.